Unit 2, 2 Mocho.
Activity 1. Students, today we will learn about days of the week. Let's see the calendar and do one activity. Today is Wednesday. I am in this classroom today. I have books on my table. I am busy. It was Sunday 3 days ago. I was at home on Sunday. I had no notebooks. I went to the library in the afternoon. I had guests in the evening. I hope you understood, students. Now you all make some sentences by your own.
Activity 2.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Students, today we will learn simple present tense, present continuous tense, and simple past tense.
Okay, sir.
First of all, we are going to understand simple present tense. Simple present tense is used when we talk of the action taking place right now, or happens regularly, or if it is a universal truth. Is for example, sun rises in the east. Shilpa writes a letter. I eat an apple every day. The format for simple present tense is subject plus base verb or first form of verb plus object. Remember, students, we add s or es at the end of the verb only if the subject is third person singular. We add es to the verb only if the verb ends with double s, sh, ch, x, or o. Is for example, go, goes, teach, teaches. Come on, students. Now, you give some examples. Nidhi, you give an example.
Today is her birthday.
Good, Nidhi. Sahil, you give one example.
Miss Mistry teaches us grammar.
Great job. Now let's understand present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to express a continued or ongoing action at present time. It expresses an action which is in progress at the time of speaking. For hint, am, is, are plus first form of verb or base verb plus ing. Is for example, Meena is writing a letter. Is plus write plus ing tells that the action of writing a letter is still in progress. So, students, the format of present continuous is subject plus am, is, or are plus first form of the verb or base verb plus ing plus object. Come on, students. Give me some more examples. Vipul, you give an example.
I am eating an apple.
Very good, Vipul. Sahil, come on, you give an example.
Deep is playing cricket.
Now let's understand past tense. Past tense is used to express an action that completed. Little time before speaking or action which is just completed. Hint, second form of verb is, for example, Meena wrote a letter. Wrote tells that the action of writing a letter is over. So students, the format of past tense is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Come on students, give me some more examples. Nidhi, you give me one example.
I ate an apple.
Very good. Krupa, you give one example.
Krupa sang a song.
Excellent. So I hope you all understood. Now students, let's separate this paragraph which has sentences of simple present tense, present continuous tense and simple past tense. Today is Christmas. Now we are celebrating Christmas. Before 2 months, we celebrated Diwali. My sister Nancy is decorating the Christmas tree. My brother Darshil decorated our house for Diwali. He was at home. Today, Darshil is not at home. He is in the hostel. My mother is preparing a cake. She prepared sweet dishes for Diwali. We received Diwali cards from friends and relatives. We also prepared Diwali cards. My father helped us for that. My father is helping Nancy now. I'm enjoying the music on CD player. I'm also talking to you on the cell phone. Some friends and relatives visited us. Nancy and I enjoyed firecrackers. Now, 2 months ago. Celebrating Christmas. Celebrated Diwali. Today is Christmas. Now we are celebrating Christmas. Before 2 months, we celebrated Diwali. My sister Nancy is decorating the Christmas tree. My brother Darshil decorated our house for Diwali. He was at home. Today, Darshil is not at home. He is in the hostel. My mother is preparing a cake. She prepared sweet dishes for Diwali. We received Diwali cards from friends and relatives. We also prepared Diwali cards. My father helped us for that. My father is helping Nancy now. I'm enjoying the music on CD player. I'm also talking to you on the cell phone. Some friends and relatives visited us. Nancy and I enjoyed firecrackers. Activity 3. I checked it. Once there was an elephant. एक हाथी હતો. People called him Motu. લોકો તેને મોટું કહેતા. He had a friend. તેને એક મિત્ર હતો. He was a rat. તે એક ઉંદર હતો. His name was Chotu. તેનું નામ છોટું હતું. Both Chotu and Motu loved swimming. છોટું અને મોટું બંનેને તરવું ગમતું. One day, Motu walked to the river. એક દિવસ મોટું નદીએ ગયો. He entered the water. તે પાણીમાં પ્રવેશ્યો. He enjoyed swimming for a long time. તેણે ઘણો સમય તરવાનો આનંદ માણ્યો. Then Chotu also arrived there. પછી છોટું પણ ત્યાં આવી પહોંચ્યો. He looked at Motu and shouted. તેણે મોટું સામે જોયું અને બૂમ પાડી.
મોટું, come out for a minute. મોટું, એક મિનિટ બહાર આવ.
Motu answered. મોટુએ જવાબ આપ્યો.
Do not disturb me. I will not come out. Let me swim. મને ખલેલ ન પહોંચાડ. હું બહાર નહીં આવું. મને તરવા દે.
Chotu shouted again. છોટુએ ફરી બૂમ પાડી.
Come out soon, I say. હું કહું છું જલ્દી બહાર આવ.
No, I won't. હું નહીં આવું.
Chotu then shouted and shouted. પછી છોટુએ ઘણી બૂમો પાડી. Motu was angry. He jumped out. મોટું ગુસ્સે થયો. તે કૂદીને બહાર આવ્યો.
Okay, I'm here now. Tell me, what's your problem? બરાબર. હવે હું અહીં છું. મને કે તારી શું સમસ્યા છે?
Chotu looked at Motu and said. છોટુએ મોટું સામે જોયું અને બોલ્યો.
It's okay. You can go back now. I'm satisfied. Go and swim. બરાબર છે. તું હવે પાછો જઈ શકે છે. મને સંતોષ થયો છે. જા અને તર.
Motu was very angry. મોટું ખૂબ ગુસ્સે થયો.
સેટિસ્ફાઈડ? સંતોષ થયો?
Yes, I am. You are not wearing my swimsuit. I just checked it. હા, મને સંતોષ થયો. તે મારો સ્વિમસૂટ પહેર્યો નથી. મેં ચકાસી લીધું.
Activity 4. After 3 days, Motu went to Chotu's house. Hey Chotu, come out. Chotu was not at home. Choti, his wife, came out.
Welcome, Mr. Motu.
She offered Motu a fruit dish. No, thanks. I'm in hurry. Where is Chotu?
He is at work.
Okay, please give him this tie. It is a gift for him. Motu returned to his house. Chotu reached home late. Choti showed him the gift. He liked it very much. He sent an SMS. Thank you for the blanket.
Activity 5. The rainbow.
Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please.
There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please.
But the boat that bridge heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Christina Rossetti.
એક્ટિવિટી 8 નીચેની વિગતો પરથી તમે તારીખના આધારે દિવસ જાણી શકશો. આઇડેન્ટિફાય ધ સેન્ચુરી ઓફ ધ યર. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, 15th August 1947, 20th century. Divide the century by 4. 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. We get the remainder is equals to 0. Now observe the tables given below. Replace the numbers for date, month and year with the basic numbers given in the tables. Like date 15. Basic number is 1. Month August. Basic number is 3. Year 47. Basic number is 1. Century remainder 0. Basic number is 0. Now add all the basic numbers like 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to 5. Divide the total by 7. So the remainder is 5. Match the sum with the table and find out the day. On 15th August 1947, it was Friday.